It's October, my dudes. Sorry. Sup, it's Sydney. I don't know if you've noticed. I don't know if you pay attention to dates. I personally don't, because one day we're all gonna be dead anyways, so. But Halloween, aka my favorite holiday, is rapidly approaching. So the entire goal of today and this video is to get spooky. I have a couple things planned. I need to go to the store and pick up some Halloween decorations. I want to decorate my room. I want to paint this here pumpkin. Okay, you get it. Let's go. Right now I'm in a store downtown that sells a bunch of art supplies and also just random stuff, and there's a bunch of Halloween things here, so that's pretty convenient. Like right now I'm in the costume section. We all know what's about to happen, so I'm gonna do everyone a favor and pretend it never happened. So we're just gonna move on. There was also a very nice lady that helped me pick out paint because I didn't want to spend $1 million on paint that I would only use once because I'm financially responsible occasionally. She gave me these ones, which are literally called cheap acrylic colors. Goals. So college. Just Texas things. I want to do a heel click, but you wouldn't be able to see it. That was really obnoxious. I have my... I have migrated to the wonderful land of Target, and to be honest, I'm pretty impressed with their Halloween selection, so like...
Way to go, Target. 10 out of 10.
I was drawn to these mini purple string lights because they look sick, first of all. How am I gonna hang these in my dorm, you ask? That's a problem for like 20 minutes from now. I also want to get these mini pumpkins because there's a lot of them for a good price. Yo, necesito. What a steal. Oh my god. Maybe unpopular opinion, I don't know, but the pumpkin ones suck. I only like the normal candy corn. I feel really awkward filming in stores, and I never know if the clips are good because everyone around you is dead silent, and then I just silently prop up my camera and I'm like...
Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm gonna be doing another video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
It just feels a little bit aggressive, so. Anyway, at the place where I got the paint, I also found this spider web. Super stretch, super scary. Very scary. I think I want to put some of this up there with my leaf garlands. Honestly, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with any of these decorations. Typically, since my brother's really artistic and into this kind of thing, my mom and I just kind of like let him follow his own path, and then our house looks insanely good. But here's the thing, I don't have him anymore. He's not dead, I'm just in college. That sounds really morbid. But now that I'm in college and by myself, I realize that without Matthew, I am useless. So this is not even gonna go well. This set of 8 little pumpkins is probably my best purchase because it requires no thought or talent at all to set up. You just kind of like place these wherever. The idea of string lights sounded a lot better in my head. Since I was surrounded by a bunch of Halloween stuff, I feel like I was in a state of euphoria, and now the realism has hit me, and I just don't know how I'm supposed to hang these or what I'm supposed to do with them. Awesome. At least I got candy corn, you know? You can't really go wrong. Actually, I guess you can go wrong because I'm reading the nutrition facts, which you should never do, by the way, because you just feel awful about yourself. It says 1 serving size of 15 pieces, which if you only eat 15 pieces, like, that's quitter talk. 1 serving size has 22 grams of sugar, which is 44% of your daily intake for sugar. Thanks for coming to my nutrition TED Talk. I'm gonna eat all of these anyways. Do you know what we can do first? I just thought of a grand idea. You might think that I was talking to the camera, but this is me genuinely talking to myself. I'm a freak. You're about to witness history because I haven't changed this sign since I arrived.
Bill, if you'll come with me, you'll float too. You'll float too. You'll float too. You'll float too. You'll float too.
By the way, this is Chrissy. We are gonna paint our pumpkins. I would carve them, but I'm not a big fan of pumpkin guts in my dorm room, or really just any guts, TBH. I feel like that's not a good call. Step 1. Here's my pumpkin. I still need to wash it because she's a dirty And this is Chrissy's pumpkin.
You gotta get her good angle. Oh my goodness.
Oh, get her good side?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait. I'm showing the bad side, aren't I?
Yeah.
Sorry, sweetie. Pumpkin in Spanish.
Calabaza.
What? Mi calabaza es naranja y pequeña. I got my pumpkin for free a few days ago, and Chrissy was supposed to come with me to get a pumpkin, but guess what? She did not.
Yeah, it was really cold. Sorry.
Yours is like thick. I feel like mine's kind of like, ooh, slim thick. You know what I mean?
Vote down below who has the prettier pumpkin. Oh goodness, my child.
She doesn't need to be perfect because you know what? We support all body types here. Huh? Yeah. Just fall things. I don't know. Our supplies include cheap acrylic colors in permanent violet and cheap acrylic colors in titanium white. 2 brushes that are exactly the same, and this brush that we can fight over, I guess. I don't know. Fun fact, I think recently Halloween has become my favorite holiday because every other holiday disappoints me, but Halloween is exactly what you expect every single year.
You don't have to visit family that you don't want to talk to. People just give you candy because it's Halloween. You don't have to buy presents for people. It's honestly, and you get to dress up.
Don't get me wrong, I love Christmas so much, but every year I just feel like once the actual day happens, I'm just so sad. This sounds like a you problem. There is so much hype for Christmas for literal months, and then once it's over, you're just like, oh. Whereas Halloween, you kind of just go full send for like a day or a weekend, and then ta-da. I scheduled my exam so that it wouldn't conflict with Halloween. That's how dedicated I am. The options were scheduling it on the 24th or the 29th or 30th, and the 29th and 30th were too close to Halloween.
Yeah, no,
so I decided to take it like a week early. Halloween costumes have to be a perfect balance between actually cute and something kind of creative and fun.
And it's hard because it has to be something that a lot of people would recognize.
If you have any suggestions for me, let me know. / leave your costumes down below, and then I'll just steal one of them because plagiarism is fun.
I had an epiphany of
An epiphany!
an amazing costume. Actually,
I know what it is?
Yeah, I told you. I am going to be Post Malone.
Oh yeah!
I'm so excited. My pumpkin looks like a tablecloth.
What's your favorite candy?
I love Almond Joys.
Ew!
They're so good.
Ew, that's
Oh
literally
my
the
goodness.
worst besides
I-
Whoppers. No one likes
Ew,
Whoppers.
no, Whoppers are gross.
Except for my sister, actually. They're her favorite candy, which
Why am I not
actually
even
makes no
surprised
sense.
by that?
My favorite candy is Take Fives, but those are kind of rare to get on Halloween, so whenever I would get one, I was like, oh my god, the sacred candy bar. Honestly, I think that if I painted this with my left hand, it would look exactly the same. Like, that's how bad I am at art.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think you guys understand, but we've been sitting on our knees. Oh my god. I literally can't extend my legs. Ow. Oh. See?
I was like a princess / fairy, like probably 9 years in a row or something.
9 years in a row?
Like, I wasn't the same thing, but I was like a princess or a fairy or something like that.
All of my costumes were definitely like the pure opposite of that. Like, I was never like,
That's
oh my
so
god, I'm a
funny.
princess. Except for 1 year, I was a princess. I was Jasmine. And that's because I mostly went with my friends and we would all do like a group costume.
Yeah.
So they were like, let's do princesses. And I was like, okay.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
We're done with this. This was low-key really exhausting just because we had to squat for so long. This is what mine looks like. Mine is supposed to be Jack Skellington.
He's never looked better.
No, he definitely has looked better.
Spooky, scary skeleton.
Could I go over top of the pictures, do you think?
Yeah. I do.
Hanging the lights like that was not a good idea because I woke up 2 nights ago in the middle of the night to my picture falling. So, yeah, I'm an idiot. Oh well.
Ooh la la.
Should we just cut it?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm cutting an umbilical cord. Yeah, maybe we'll get like some tape.
Yeah, I think that's good.
I'm just gonna put these little pumpkins all over my room because I think they're cute. I feel like if Tumblr and Heavy Metal had a baby, it would look like this. If someone breaks into my room at night, lights out, baby. Whoops. I have like an infinite second rule. At least I do have some talent.
Spooky, scary skeletons.
If you feel a little bit spookier, you probably don't, but just like if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. You know how it be sometimes. If you want to see the costumes that I end up wearing on Halloween, you can follow me on Instagram. Also, let me know if you'd be interested in a Halloween vlog because I would totally do that. These are 100% going to be finished by like tonight. Pray for my teeth. That's all I have to say. Stay spooky, everyone.